Hello everyone. Today our topic is Lidar sensor in iPhone. What is Lidar? Lidar stands for light detection and ranging. Use eyes safe laser beam to see the world in 3D, providing machines and computers an accurate representation of environment. So comes to our main topic, LiDAR in iPhone. As of my knowledge, cut off in September 2021, iPhone do not have built-in LiDAR sensor, but LiDAR technology has been introduced in some of latest model, including the iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max and other next models. So the LiDAR sensor in iPhone works by emitting a laser pulse and bounce back from object in the environment to create a depth map. So basically depth map was how it looks like. So we can see here a photograph of four maps and it's a depth map. So we can see clearly depth map can be used for a variety of applications such as augmented reality experience, improved autofocus in low light condition, and more accurate portrait mode photos. So we are see later on augmented reality application and some other features of these. With the introduce of LiDAR technology, it is expected that developer will create more AR application games that takes advantage of the enhanced depth uh, perception and accuracy provided by the sensor. So how LiDAR works? So it's considered in three steps. So basically LiDAR sensor emit pulse light waves into surrounding environment, and pulse bounce from surrounding environment and return to the sensor, and sensor count the how much time it will take by the any waves to come from any objects, and it create the depth map. So representing this process millions of time in a second, so create a precious real-time 3D map of the environment, and this 3D map is called a point cloud. And we can see here a one video, so we are clearly clear about that. So here a car emits a lidar, have a lidar system, and it's emit the waves, and from these waves it creates a depth map of its surrounding environment. So in lidar system there are four main components: lidar sensor, GPS server, computers, and IMU. So lidar sensor scans the ground from side to side with the pulse laser beam. So we can see here, in lidar sensor they have waves to emit the wave pulse, and it scans the ground side to side, and after GPS receiver track the attitude and location of the aeroplane. So where is aeroplane and how it works? It's basically work by receivers. And third component is inertial measurement unit. So track the orientation and speed of aeroplane as it flies. Elevation calculation use orientation and accurately determine the actual position of the pulse. So we can see here IMU circuit, and it have more main four component: Bluetooth, microcontroller, USB, and sensors. And after fourth component is computers record all the heights information as the lidar scans the surface. So we see something about AR application. One of the main benefit of the LiDAR scanner in the iPhone is its ability to enhance AR experience by creating a more accurate and detailed 3D map of the environment. The iPhone can place virtual object into the real world with greater precision and realism. So, who is a iPhone user? They see in their phone is a major application in their phone, and this application is uh, work using a lidar system. So they can calculate any measurement, any radius, and everything created by 3D map created by this measure app using lidar system. So for example, the measure app on iPhone can now use lidar to measure the dimension of object in the real world with incredible accuracy, and the new ARKit 4 framework allow developers to create a immersive AR experience that takes advantages of the lidar scanner's capability. So what we are need future developments with the introduce of lidar technology in the iPhone, we can expect to see even more innovative application and use cases in the future, from improved navigation and mapping to new gaming experience and industrial application. Lidar has the potential to change the way we interact with the world around us. As application continues to refine and expand the capability of its LiDAR equipped device, we can look forward to a future where AR and other advanced technology are uh, seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. So global automotive LiDAR market says that in 2019, market size of LiDAR system is to $289.3 million dollars, and his future vision in 2013 is market size becomes 4,754.7 million dollar. So market growth rate in 2020 to 2030, it's uh, market market size growth 26.1 percentage. So we can see clearly the lidar system is our new technology in future development. So we can see a great we have great knowledge about lidar. So I appreciate you taking the time to read these. Thank you very much.